Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about all University of Michigan athletics on a 2 week pause after outbreak of COVID-19 variant. Please be with me till the complete video and also subscribe to my channel as we have some important details around this news. Michigan's athletic department is shutting down for 2 weeks due to confirmed cases of the B1.1.7 COVID-19 variant. A department spokesperson confirmed with the Free Press on Saturday night. The shutdown will affect all sports, including sports that are currently in season, like men's and women's basketball, volleyball, and ice hockey. The pause will start immediately. The student journalists at the Michigan Daily were the first to report it. No changes being made to any other university operations. It is our understanding that the state did not recommend changes beyond athletics. University spokesman Rick Fitzgerald told the Free Press. There are now 5 cases that are confirmed with B1.1.7 highly contagious COVID-19 variant in Washtenaw County. The outbreak traces back to one female student athlete, sources said. Canceling competitions is never something we want to do, but with so many unknown things about this variant of COVID 19, we must do everything we can do to minimize the spread among student athletes, coaches, staff, and to the student athlete at other schools, said Michigan Athletic Director Ward Manuel. University public health officials are working very closely with the Washtenaw County Health Department and Michigan Department of Human Health Services on additional mitigation strategies, the athletic department said in a press release. The university will be carefully considering additional mitigation measures. There are many unknown things that remain under investigation by local and state public health officials, the school release said. No determination has been made on how the pause may impact scheduled games beyond Feb 7. The new coronavirus transmits more easily and can lead to more positive cases, said the health department. The state's patient zero had a negative coronavirus test 2 days before she traveled January 3rd from UK to US, said Susan Ringler, a spokesperson for the Washtenaw County Health Department. The woman also tested negative for the virus on Jan 4th and Jan 6th. She got a positive corona test result on Jan 8 and began isolation at that date. Most of the additional 7 people who have contracted the virus since having close contact with the woman living in connected households, and they are also in quarantine. This variant of COVID-19 is not more deadly and is not likely to make more people severely sick than other variants of coronavirus, but it is at least 1.5 times more transmissible, means it spreads to about 50% faster than other strains of the virus circulating in Michigan. So that's all we have in this news. Please continue to watch this space for more news and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me so far, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.